Prestige Rental Solutions, doing a quick walkthrough of a very nice one-bedroom, Washington Street in Comm Ave. This is the living room, spacious walk-in closets. You have another spacious closet here. A very nice bathroom. You can see it's updated, very clean. Nice shower head there. Very bright in this apartment. Look at this here. Nice new hardwood floors. Parking available in the back. I got a yellow kitchen here, but that could get painted if you wanted. Let's see. It's very, very bright, as you can see with the picture coming out with the glare. Nice spacious room here. Cabinets, sink, dishwasher, and disposal. Wow. Prestige Rental Solutions.